さあ、始めましょう。Let's start. Do you know how to use the following words? 次の言葉よくわかりますか？どの、誰、何、はandが。If you are confused with them, you might give up learning Japanese. This is the Remedy Series 2. If you haven't watched Remedy Series 1, I strongly recommend you watch it after this video. If you make a mistake, you might stop learning Japanese. Let's check the following question. どの、誰、何、どれ、は、が、ちんさんですか？ You have to choose one of them. There are two brackets. Please look at the first bracket. Okay? どの Look at どの Dono must take noun. In this sentence, you cannot see noun after dono. So, dono doesn't fit in this sentence, right? Okay. Look at the structure of dono. Dono takes noun. Okay. Dono hito. This is a question. この人 when you answer この人 right その人あの人 right like that. Okay, so look at the C 何 is used to ask for something, not for someone, right? In this case 陳さん is asked. So who is 陳さん is meaning. So 何 does not fit in this sentence, right? Okay.Look at D, どれ is which one, right? どれ is used to ask for things, usually not for someone. So どれ should not be chosen. Okay? Correct answer is 誰 Who is 陳さん right? Okay, next bracket は or が which one is correct?Okay. So many students ask me. Okay. So do not be confused. This is simple. Okay. When WH question word comes to the beginning of the sentence, okay, then ga must follow.Okay? Please do not confuse with wa and ga. Okay? Student asked me wa function and ga function, which one need to be used? No, please. Please think simple rule. Okay? When WH question word comes in the beginning of the sentence, ga must be used. Okay? So, 誰が陳さんですか? Is okay? Let's check the third question. 山田さんはがどの誰何どれ人ですか? Look at the first bracket. You have to choose one of them, wa or ga, right? Then in the second bracket, you can see どの、誰、何、どれ. And then in the sentence 人ですか, right? 人ですか. So, 誰、何、どれ do not take noun.Please look at the structure. 誰ですか? There's no noun between 誰 and ですか。You don't need to put noun. 誰ですか？どれですか？何ですか？ It's okay. Not 何ですか？ So, see 何 is not used in this sentence. 何ですか？ must be 何ですか？はい。Okay. So, the correct answer is どの because there's a noun 人どの人ですか Okay? どの人ですか And then please look at the first bracket. There is は or が Which one do you need to choose? Okay, this is a rule. Please do not forget this. Okay, when a WH question word is used in the end of the sentence, okay, は must be used, not が. Okay, do not ask は or が which one is good or not, okay, based on the function of は or が. Please do not think in that way, okay? Structurally already determined, okay? Let's check the last question. 山田さんはがどの誰何ですか Okay? In the second bracket, どの is not correct answer because there is no noun after どの。はい And 誰何 seems good to answer, but 何 should be 何ですか So 何 should not be used in this sentence. So only 誰 is left and good answer. Okay? When WH question in the end of the sentence は should be used. 山田さんは誰ですか Who is 山田さん Okay? Let's summarize how to use は and WH questions. Look at this. In the beginning of the sentence and the end of the sentence. Okay? In the end of the sentence, if 何ですか or 誰ですか or どれですか is used. In the beginning of the sentence, noun は should be used. Okay? Noun は何ですか Noun は誰ですか Noun はどれですか Look at the question. 山田さんはがどの誰何ですか So, 誰ですか is the correct answer, right? 山田さんは誰ですか is answer. Okay? Let's check the following questions. Number 1. どの何誰どれ人はが田中さんですか ?Okay? はい。どの人が田中さんですかどの人が田中さんですかはい、いいですね。はい、Number 2。どの誰何どれはが陳さんですか Answer is誰が陳さんですか誰が陳さんですか Number 3山田さんはがどの誰何どれ人ですかはい。山田さんはどの人ですか山田さんはどの人ですかはい。Number 4 山田さんはがどの誰何ですか？はい。山田さんは誰ですか？山田さんは誰ですか？ Okay? If you miss more than one question, you may need to watch this video to catch up again. Otherwise, you may encounter a difficult moment. As a result, you will have a high chance to stop learning Japanese. We will try to support you as much as we can. Please do not forget this. じゃあまた会いましょう。See you soon!